Hey everyone, Isha this side, and in this video I'll be talking about cutting edge AI spreadsheet tool which is Quadratic. So I'll upload a financial data set and then we'll analyze this tool, how it cleanses the data, how it builds visuals, get insights, the pros and cons, its interface and much more. So let's dive in. This is how the interface of Quadratic looks like. I have logged into free account for now and it allows 5 messages on free plan. This is the tool that combines the traditional spreadsheet, the AI, SQL, Python, Java all into one browser based working space. So you don't need to switch between different tools while getting your advanced analytics at here only. To begin with exploring its features, let's first start with uploading a dataset. So here is my dataset. It's about 50 plus companies and its attributes like sector, revenue, operating income for the year of 2024 and then across 4 different quarters. So this is in Google Sheets. In this tool, there are multiple ways where I can upload the data. One, I can directly paste the link here. Else, I can go to insert, then data, and from here I can insert the data. We can also build connections to our databases. So there are 2 options again, either inserting data, again data, or going to connection from here, or I can select this option also where I can click on new connections. So these are the options available to connect your databases. Though I tried connecting SQL Server here via localhost or Cloudflare, I was getting an error. But to start with, I can directly copy paste my data here, or else I can also paste the link. So this is the chat interface towards left side where I can talk to my data in natural language. And if you notice in my data set, the cells highlighted in different colors have errors. Let's see how well Quadratic detects and fixes these errors. To clean my dataset, I can give instructions directly and then it will come with its own assumption and run the Python code and accordingly fix the errors. Or else I can also give the clear instructions the way I want to fix my data. For instance, I can go ahead with clean this dataset and suggest steps you have taken for the same. Else I can give clear instructions like clean this dataset and maybe for date column, convert date column in this format, or to calculate the missing values in operating income, net income, revenue column, you can use some imputed values, maybe mean, median. So I can do that also. This is the prompt that I'm giving to the tool. Let's see how it cleanses the data and what it comes up with. There are options available here also, like from here you can attach few documents. This one is again to chat with your connected data source. This one if you want to give specific reference of a sheet, and this one is for some other formatting like which particular language you want to use, some AI rules you want to define, theme if you want to change, maybe this one or the darker one. So these are the few options available in the interface. If you notice, this is the tool in thinking mode and still writing the code and fixing some discrepancies in an entirely new sheet, that is clean data. This is what the tool came up with. Created sheet, clean data, missing values, validate date parsing. And if I right click here and click on open code editor, then I can see what all code it has written to generate this clean data worksheet, as well as I can perform any editing if I need to. Like for numeric columns, it has turned NA, hyphen and blank into NaN automatically, and likewise for date column it has performed these actions what is suggested in the code. And in case I want something else, I can ask a question here and I can also suggest an edit if I want. This is a great feature here where you are actually combining the AI, Python and spreadsheet all at one place. You can talk to your data in natural language, edit it. Data cleaning is much faster and efficient than traditional Excel or Google Sheets. This is my clean dataset wherein the first column is of company raw, the second is of company. So it has corrected it accordingly, like Apple underscore INC is clean to Apple space INC just to ensure consistency. Likewise for Amazon starting with small a is changed to Amazon with capital A. For operating income, this particular cell is still blank, so I can right click, go to open code editor and ask a question. Impute missing value for operating income. Now it is suggesting me this action, and if I'm fine with it, I can click on accept, else reject. It says it has updated the code. Let's see. So now it has come up with this new imputed value. Similarly, if we want to impute some values for missing employees, we can right click here, open code editor, ask a question or edit the code, or maybe give a suggestion the way we want to fix it. So this is amazing tool combining the modern technologies. Now let's see how well it analyzes our data. It give me list of companies by market cap in 2024. Let's see what it comes up with now. Here it has generated a new table wherein it has listed the companies in order of market cap. This may not be correct here because if you notice, it's treating Microsoft and Microsoft Corp as two different entities, and likewise Apple is different from Apple Inc. Thus, it shows that you need human intervention when dealing with complex data sets to ensure that you have the right data before you start drawing or building out insights from that data sets. Let's try another example of visualization this time. So I can write show me top 5 companies by revenue and plot a bar graph for the same in 2024. A very useful tip here would be do spend some time in writing your prompts and be accurate or precise as much as you can so that you get better results. This is what I have mentioned, and let's see what do I get. So this is my bar chart, which I can easily move here and there and maybe reduce or increase the size like this. Another cool feature here is if I click on this camera button, I get a snapshot. Again, I don't need to use any other tool to click this snapshot and share it. I can zoom a particular section of the chart from here like this, then going back from this option. For visuals, I can do customization, so I can go to code editor and write here like change the bar colors to green, else I can mention the same in this chat box also. If you see, the visual bars are now in green color and this is the new code it has written. Again, the option of accept or reject, so I can accept from here. Quadratic makes data analysis super simple. You can write complex queries with simple prompts now. This is not just a spreadsheet, it's basically a mini analysis platform. So the tool is really great. It combines AI, SQL, Python and spreadsheet in one place, which saves time from switching between the tools. Secondly, you can connect to many data sources here. You have many options available. Natural language insights saves your time and reduces your mental load. It helps you with real-time collaboration. You can easily share your insights or maybe invite your team members also to work on this sheet. I tried some basic Excel features like sorting the data, which works fine, but I couldn't find a way to filter the data. Though it still has its cons, it's based on modern technology, so some platforms may not be supported. Since it's in browser environment, so with heavy data set, it can slow down your performance. And as we have seen before, we still need human intervention to review your data completely. So it aids your analysis process, but does not remove human intelligence. And one more thing, if you go to settings and see their privacy here, you will notice that this tool is sending your data to AI providers, which are these OpenAI, Anthropic, Google Cloud. So you need to be really careful when you are dealing with sensitive information. In nutshell, this tool brings traditional analytics with modern AI power. And for analysts who want deeper insights without tool hopping, this tool can be a game changer. However, it is not yet a full replacement for business intelligence platforms or maybe local coding environments like Python. But this is great for day-to-day working. I hope you find this content useful and thank you for watching.